In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Trello Cards. Removing someone from a card is handy when responsibilities shift, a task changes hands, or you want to cut down on unnecessary notifications for teammates. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you can do it confidently every time. First, log into Trello and open the board that contains the card you want to update. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace and board, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're on the board, locate the specific card and click it to open the card details. The card view will slide open, showing the title, description, activity, and a sidebar on the right with key actions. In that right-hand sidebar, click Members. This opens a panel listing everyone who can be assigned to the card. People currently assigned will have a clear checkmark by their name, and you'll usually see their avatars on the front of the card as well. This makes it easy to spot who's actively assigned. To remove someone, simply click their name in the Members panel. The checkmark will disappear instantly, confirming they've been unassigned. You'll also notice their avatar vanish from the card, which is a visual cue that the change has taken effect. There's no separate save button. Your change is applied the moment you click. A few helpful notes. Unassigning a person from a card does not remove them from the board or workspace, and it won't delete their comments or past activity. It only removes their assignment on that one card. If you accidentally remove yourself, just reopen the Members panel and click your own name again to reassign. If you don't immediately see the Members option, make sure the card is fully open and check the right sidebar. On smaller screens, you might need to scroll the sidebar or widen the window to reveal all options. When you're done, close the Members panel. Your updates are live right away, so you can move on to other cards or return to the board view without any extra steps. That's the complete process. Log into Trello, open your board, open the card, click Members, and click the person's name to remove the checkmark and unassign them. With this quick workflow, you'll keep your cards focused, your assignments accurate, and your team's notifications relevant.